The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. Next Sunday, the Lencho was he came earlier, means bit earlier means he was actually waiting for the letter. He came earlier to ask for the letter. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Now this time postman himself handed over the letter to Lencho. And postmaster, he thought he was very happy, at least he has done a good deed. He was inside the post office and he was happy, who had performed a good deed, looked on from his office. From his office he was just looking what will be the feeling of that person. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Lencho, when he got money, after getting that money, he was not surprised. Why he was not surprised? Because he was having full faith on God. He was definitely knowing God is going to give him that 100 pesos. That's why he was not surprised. He was waiting for that letter. Such was his confidence. He was having that much confidence in God. But he became angry when he counted the money. After counting the money, he was angry. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Now his belief on the God was that God will never do any mistake, and God knows how to count. God will definitely send 100. And why it is not 100? God cannot do mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho. He will never deny Lencho to give 100 pesos. And whatever Lencho is requesting, definitely he should get it, and must be God has given. But something is there. He was doubtful who has done this. Immediately Lencho went up the window to ask for paper and ink. Again, after counting the money, he returned in, went inside the post office. He asked for paper and pen. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. Then he has taken one paper and pen, and he started writing on the paper, and his face means full effort. He was putting full effort to explain, and whatever he wanted from the God, he started again writing it in the letter. And then after finishing it, he went again to the window. He just asked for a stamp, and then he licked the stamp, and then he has fixed on the envelope. Afterwards, he has blown it with his fist, means trying to stick the stamp on the envelope. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. When again the envelope was inside a mailbox, the postmaster, he was inside the post office. He went, when Lencho left the place, then postmaster went to take that letter what he has written. It said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lencho. Now what was written in the next letter when he has written to God? He has written, God, of the money whatever you have given, it was only 70 pesos reached to me. And send me whatever is left, means 30 is still less. And please send it to me, but don't send it through the mail, because these post office people or the employees are a bunch of crooks. Crooks means dishonest people. Means he was thinking that the employees are cheater. They have taken his 30 pesos, and that's why he has written again letter. He was having full belief on God, and he asked again that don't send this 30 pesos leftover money to the mail, because these people are very dishonest. These are a bunch of crooks. And at last he has written Lencho. Okay. Now you got it, the chapter. Actually, the person is having full faith on God. He believes that God is not going to cheat Lencho, but he is not believing these people. Actually, he is not knowing. That is his blind faith on God. But people are also a good human being. Postmaster was a kindly person. He was willing to help. But he was not having that much money to give 100 pesos. But he was thinking, Lencho was thinking that maybe these employees has taken the money. That was only doubt. That's why he has written this letter again. Now, in this chapter, maybe you have understood that the person is having belief, that blind faith on God. Got it? After that, you are having 2 more questions. You have to write the answers. Okay? Thank you.